This is an exercise in replacing the diaphragm in a Bowcom Atom or a GMX machine. The kit you see on the desk here is what's received when you purchase a diaphragm. They both look the same, but they're different reference numbers, and it's important to purchase the correct kit. Fixings on the end of the pump require a Torx tool, which is a T25. The first part of the removal is to take the complete pump head away from the motor. That requires the 3 long bolts that hold it together, which is this one, that one and the bottom. We then remove the complete front head of the pump. Holding it together, we then remove the three short screws which hold the 2 halves together. Having removed the complete head, you lay the actual cap down as the palm of the hand and lift off the metal retaining ring, leaving the black cap in the palm of your hand. The diaphragm itself will then lift off, which is that, and replace with the new one, which needs to be dipped in water to assist the self-priming. The new one sits in the groove there as such, and then taking a hold of the base plate and tipping up the metal ring, we then replace it in this order. You then reassemble the pump head using the 3 short screws. Spare poppers and springs are provided should they be required. If this is done with this flat, the springs and poppers will stay in place. Should they come out, there is a drawing with the instructions showing how they go back in. The final part of reassembly requires lining up the flatted off piece on the hole to line up with the flat on the shaft. So once lined up, the whole front end will slide on and clip into place, and then we can reattach the 3 long screws holding the front end onto the pump motor.